Making this video to show people about a universal key. And I want to thank Santo's Bonacci, Ken Willer, Karen from Sun and Moon, Matt Jerome, David Cochrane in his work that he found from saxophone player John Coltrane. So let's start with the Zodiac. And I'm going to show you there's 60 different graduations around the Zodiac. First, before I get into that, it's all going to be based on phi, the golden number, the golden ratio, the golden triangle, which is made up of 108, 36, and 36. Not going to get into this too much, but as you can see, you can keep separating these triangles so that they are still golden. So if you do this divided line, so you have 1 to phi in the ratio of the line, the triangle then becomes again 1 to phi. So these two sides from the bigger triangle are 1, 1, and phi, right? 1.618. And then they grow or decline. When you split it, it's 1, 1, and 1.618. This is all the math. I'm not going to get into it, right? So what we found was the golden ratio series has 60 repeating numbers. When you count in golden ratio series, you start with 0 and you get 1, right? And then you add these two together, you get 2. You add these two together, you add these two together, you get 5. You add these two together, you get 13. Well, you only keep the last number. There really is only the digits from 0 to 9. Everything else is accounting to pay taxes. You only need 0, 1 through 9. 8 plus 13 is 21, you only keep the 1. 21 plus 13 is 34, you only keep the 4, and so on and so forth. So you keep going. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 0. And when you keep doing this, you go all the way through, you keep going, you'll see that you'll end up with 9 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and it repeats. So you get these 60 beautiful golden numbers that represent phi. And how phi works is if you take, and it always strives to make phi, when you start dividing these out, they get closer and closer to this golden number, this golden ratio, they call it, right? So the ratio resolves toward this golden ratio, right? I'm not going to go any further on that. When you take those and you wrap them around the Zodiac. So here you go, you'll start noticing some things. You'll notice that the 5, first of all, the zeros make the cross. The 5s at every 5th mark the Zodiac. Okay? So around 5s are really one and the same. Alright? You'll also notice that every addition from one side to the other equals 10, or 1 and 0. So that's a beautiful thing, because 1 and 0, when you add the glyph of 1 and you add the glyph of 0, you get the glyph of phi. So this is not coincidence. This is all beautiful stuff. And here's the part that I learned. I learned everything from everybody. I just noticed some different things. And that's what we'll be getting to. So there are 5 octaves in an octave. on a keyboard, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white keys. This is repeating. That's C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, right? And C. Then you have 5 black keys. 7 colors of the rainbow, light you can see, that's why it's white. And 5 black keys. 5 is really important. We'll get to that. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 keys. So that's like 12 signs of the zodiac. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do that 5 times. Goes all the way around. So every one of these numbers has a personality of sound in different octaves. Again, I can go on every one of these. I'm just giving a primer of what goes on. So now we're going to talk about the chord progressions you'll find in music in here. Well, it gets much better with all kinds of other things, but just bear with me. Go figure, when I was young, I played the accordion. You ever see those 120 bass accordions? Well, you'll see that there's C and G and D and A. These are chord progressions. You should just understand these. These are chord progressions. I always wondered, why are they like this? Well, C has got no sharps or flats. And then sharps go up in the scales and flats go down. In other words, how many black keys you're playing. So G has 1 sharp black key. D has 2 sharps. A has 3 sharps. E has 4 sharps. All right? So if you look here, magically this appears as well. Here we go. So the sharps we have the C, which is neutral. Then you got the G, G, D, A, E, G, D, A, E. That's at every 5th. Coincidence? I don't think so. Same thing with the flats. F, B flat, E flat, A flat. F, B flat, E flat, A flat. Right? This is a universal key, folks. So, let's talk about the 5. There are 3 golden triangles in this star. This is 3 golden of 108, 36, and 36. Right? And that's part of Plato's divided line. It's part of phi. It's really important. So, and here we will see that we have 1 golden triangle. We have 2 second golden triangle. And we have a 3rd golden triangle right here. Right? So this 5 is really important. It's going to come up a lot. All right? Okay, some things to note. Notice you have a 1011, a 7077, a 9099, and a 3033. These patterns aren't anywhere else in here, but I'll show you what patterns are. So 1s, that's beginning, it's manifestation. It's the alpha, the Aries, the arise, right? So this is the alpha, and then we'll jump over to the omega. 9 is the end, and 9 is the end of the cycle, right? 9 is the omega, right where Libra's at. So you got the alpha, Aries, to the omega, Libra. This is the swastika. That's why swastika is so beautiful and so key. Look at the top now, 7077. 7 colors that you can see, right? So, this is the 7th letter of the alphabet. This is the sun, 7 colors of the rainbow. This is sunrise. Okay, down the bottom, 3033. This is universal. This is the 3 trinities. The 3 trinities is the light you cannot see.